Right, this is really not my finest work, but I just thought I'd keep you updated as to what I've been doing since I got my van. Right, I've got a job to do. They've been asking me for a while, and now they're one of the people that I owe money, so I've got to do it straight away. I haven't got time to back the van out, so I've got to choose what tools to go in. Yeah, right, bollocks. I bet I haven't put something in that I'll need. I haven't put my chop saw or my table saw in. Right, can't find the little screws that go in here. But these just happen to fit. To find an Allen key. This is why I buy Makita, not this shit. Oh, too fucking long, look. Bollocks. Right, I'm going to put Makita in van. This is why you buy Makita. It's got a little thing on there. You see them two little pins. Pull them out. So easy as that, look. Now I'm messing around trying to find bloody screws or losing them. So this is what I've got to do. I've just got to give this kitchen a makeover. It's a mix of old and new units, and the owner's already done some work on it.
Should have told you. I'm going to cut it off now, very quick. Doing in glass, right? 23 mil. Yeah, that's the that's all your profit. Matt, can I have a card? Yeah. Take this as well.
Yeah.
What this one? I need a hammer. Yeah, I've just done this. That just made it a little bit tighter, so it means it's doing one. It's going to be tight, so I need to know what we're going to put.
Be aware.
Yeah, there's a cable comes out there. Yeah. Cheers, mate. I've got feet. I'll send it over last
Order received, just have to wait now.
Once you've got one done,
Yeah, you do. You
comparative.
should never decorate anywhere because then it makes everywhere.
Someone go to me. You sound like you're from Birmingham.
Birmingham. Yeah, of all the
places,
accidents.
The happy day when I can get me a turntable up here and start playing some music again.
Right, there's hardly anybody here today.
There's what, sorry?
I'm talking to the camera, shut up. You can reply that because I'm going to bitch about you. Right, there's hardly anybody here today, so I just want to explain this. This is the old cabinet. It has a radiator on the back of it, so that's got to stay. These cabinets are new. These ones along here. These are Celco, I think. Are they? Celco, aren't they?
Yeah.
708 or 704, should I say? 720. Standard size. I don't know what Celco are thinking about them. The dodgy owner over there, he's done a bit of work, but
A lot.
yeah, right. But he's just put one screw in here and you can see they're a bit off. And he chose to do this step down bit to make the doors look something like, so the worktop's going to need to be packed up. That's why I did it over here. And that. Yeah. So I need to sort these out, then I can get tops in. There's two 4-metre tops. Big breakfast bar in there. And one to go down here. And they didn't want to buy another 4-metre top just for these two little returns here. So what comes off here is going to get joined together. Anyway, I'm going to sort this out, which is all over the place. Yeah, I didn't do that. He did.
You don't appreciate me, that's your trouble.
Yeah, I've sort of tidied your mess up a little bit. It's a bit more level, but that unit's all twisted. It's that radiator, isn't it?
Yep.
It's your fault.
I'm not showing you, trust. It's copyright with my face, that'll cost you.
Right. So that top's just sat on top. It was sat on top of the... I'm talking at camera.
Oh.
There was a woman that I was working for that was doing that all the time.
Well, I don't realise. You should say that you're supposed to say cut or whatever it is.
Action.
Action.
Right, so that top was on top of this, so we had to bring it in, just sit it on there. This one, breakfast bar, it's 750 wide, I think. I thought I might have to scribe it to this wall here. So I'd have marked this, put some masking tape on, and then scribed the shape, but it's pretty straight. It's a little bit bent, but it's straight enough. So I'm just going to mark it, rip it down. Right, so just going to cut this. We've got 350 there ish. This is the old cupboard that's slightly twisted. 340 there. And where the end cupboard goes, 340 there. So it's straight to there, and then that last cupboard will be in a little bit, but the worktop will cover the doors. At least the doors won't be sticking out. So 340, 20mm foot door, 10mm overhang ish, something like that. So what's that? 340, 310. So off here I'll measure 310. Same there. 310 off there. And then here I've got to cut out a little bit, so I'll measure from the wall. So from the wall 261. So that'll get cut there, 261. And if I'm taking 310 off the back here, that'll put that about where the old one was. Kettle's boiled, I'm going to do that first before I cut this. Cool. Put some more masking tape on there. Marvellous. There we go. That'll do. Nice and square up.
Yeah.
In.
Tell me one.
Now. Will it go anymore? Are we up there? Near enough, we just need to take a little bit of plaster out there. Marvellous. Just need to clean the end up now, cut the end off.
What did you need that sock on?
You wanted you to come and do some.
Could,
Do you want me to hold the other end?
No, I need it to shut up for a minute.
You need a what, sorry?
To shut up for a minute.
We're used to you guys, don't worry about it.
There you go.
When
I can't concentrate if people are talking to me good either.
Well,
so.
it's not that, it's when I'm filming.
Oh, you're filming now?
Yeah, I talk to the camera. Not bad. It'll do to say it's not going to be seen, innit? It's going to be covered with microwave and whatever. Huh? Right, so.
Just as well, isn't it? Pattern to mix up and match up.
No. Right, I'm not going to go with a piece of that'd be really nice. Not cake. Tea cake.
Ooh.
So,
Just.
are you filming?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. Really not ideal, but like I says, it's going to be covered up with a microwave and stuff. I don't care. Could have put some grey sealant down. We've got some grey acrylic, you know, jointing stuff. Saving that for the worktop miters. I'll leave that to dry now. And as always, put your lid on, give it a shake. That'll seal the top, stop you getting the skin inside. Right, just put a couple of clamps on, stop it cupping. I think it's pretty flat.